Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and today's video is about Carryminati and the TikTok video. It's really a bit sad that YouTube has taken down that video because I'm a fellow creator. I'm not that big a YouTuber, but I realize that making a video and then editing it and clearing all the glitches and then finally uploading it, it takes a lot of time. But as you can see, the video has been taken down. That's not something that the creator would have ever dreamt of. I can understand that it was a bit controversial, but see, we do have seen many other videos from international YouTubers where there were some controversies about something, but this one was really making records. So firstly, I do not support taking down a video. Video was striked off by other creators or something for some reason. Now let's come to the point of TikTok versus YouTube. See, I as an artist, I have recently joined TikTok, maybe 3 or 4 videos old I am, but YouTube I think is the main thing that I concentrate on. There are much better creators on YouTube, at least for the art sector, for the drawing sector. That's what I'm saying. That's what actually I'm focusing on. So I think YouTube is my mainstay, and then obviously I am also present on Instagram, TikTok. Even though I think 1-minute videos, that's something easier for a few other creators. That's choice. See, you can download anything on your phone. You can download anything on any other device and watch it. But as far as a creator's point of view, I think YouTube is much more of a basis than any other platform. So I fully support all the YouTubers who create something and they do not want their videos to be taken down, and that's something which has already happened. And within these 3-4 days since Carryminati has put that video on YouTube, you won't believe, but whoever has searched, they would already know. But justice for Carry, this is the hashtag that has been popular over TikTok. So we can understand that even TikTok is supporting Carryminati, because at the end of the day, they also know that Carryminati is a much better creator than many of the guys in TikTok. So I support Carryminati. I was a fan of Carryminati because many of them have already said this is the PewDiePie of India, but it's not about PewDiePie. He's got a separate talent. See, who does not like roasting? I do not support the words nowadays going around that India doesn't support this kind of culture. Come on, this is 2020. We already are in a new age. So roasting, it's all over the world. So it doesn't make sense to say that it's a cultural difference. We should not be roasting. No, come on. Who doesn't like publicity? And this is a kind of a publicity. Even there are some creators whom Carryminati had roasted in the past and they have just blown, and that's something that we would obviously want. Who would not want Carryminati to talk about you? We need to accept the fact that we all need publicity, and we need people to see our content. I as an artist would want all my drawings to be seen all over the world, and that's something that anybody will try for. And I simply believe we should end this debate and let that video come up again of Carryminati, because it was breaking all the records, and I think all those stats should remain as it is. That's why I have made this video. I have not talked much about the drawing here in this video, but I think you can understand it's a supporting video, so I wanted to support fully this creator Carryminati. So thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel if you are new here. Please watch the other contents if you are interested in drawing. Then I think you would like few of them. Let me know in the comments what you think, whom you support, but please comment something which is sensible, and I would wait for all your comments. Let us know. And till then, wait for the next video. I will be coming up with the next one very soon.